These are the instructions for assembling the EN52 camera enclosure S-mount. The enclosure tube consists of the cord grip, back bezel, enclosure tube, mounting ring, front bezel, and the lens enclosure window. The front bezel holds the camera and connects the enclosure tube to the front window. The cord grip is first assembled. Wrap the strip of Teflon tape to the MPT threads of the cord grip. Thread the cord grip into the back bezel. Feed the USB cable through the back bezel. Go from front to back. Don't forget the cord grip nut. Install the cord grip seal. The chamfer on the seal is installed closest to the cord grip nut. The back bezel is installed on the enclosure tube. Align the bezel and tube enclosure indexes. Install the camera to the front bezel using the 4 M2 screws. Attach the USB cable to the camera. Insert the front bezel into the enclosure tube. Align the indexes. Insert the 4 M2 screws into the front bezel. With the indexes aligned, the screws will engage the back bezel. Tighten the screws. Insert the silica gel pack. Install the cord grip seal and tighten the cord grip nut. The window is assembled by placing the Buna gasket into the window lens cover. Insert the window, insert the PTFE gasket, and then install the retaining ring. Install the mount ring onto the enclosure tube. Place the focus locking nut onto the S-mount lens. Thread the S-mount lens into the camera. Remove the lens cover cap, thread the window onto the front bezel. Either side of the mounting ring may be used to install the EN M4 mount. First, attach the mount to the mounting ring. Attach the swivel base to the mount. That concludes the assembly instructions for the EN52 camera enclosure. Thank you for watching.